and you are watching this video because you wanted to learn something about English from me, yet here I am teaching English just for you so you can learn English as well as your own language, yet not be spending your time doing something else. So today we're talking all about conjunctions, joining sentences together, making them sound smooth, cool, nice, without jagged, whoop, 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 and yet more at ease. So, subscribe, click on the like button below, hit that like button, as I just said. So, conjunctions. Let's get ready to learn more. What do they do? English. Arguably, they connect sentences together. What they really do is they connect clauses within a sentence together so it flows much more naturally. Let's look at this sentence. He went to school and there was a test, so he was quite nervous. He went to school, one clause. There was a test. He was quite nervous. That doesn't really flow on its own with a full stop here, here and there. It doesn't really flow as nice. But if you have, he went to school and there was a test. So he was quite nervous. Yet he had revised. Yet he was ready. He was ready, yet he was ready. He went to school and there was a test. So he was quite nervous, yet he was ready. He was ready to rock and or roll. Are you ready? Alright. So, these conjunctions help connect the sentences together so it flows and it reads much more nicely than just being sentences, just being short articles and statements. Just makes things nice. So, let's look at a few conjunctions and let's learn more English. So, let's look at two to start off with. We have and. And. To make a list of things. I have suspenders, pen, whiteboard, and a camera. We could say, I have a book, and a hat, and a desk, and a chair, and a car. But that does not sound nice. And. So instead we use commas. We use a comma. I have a hat. A hat, pen, chair, and as the last one in the list, a book. I have a whiteboard, a pen, and a camera. As I mentioned, the last one on the list is then and a book, and a camera. So what do you have? What do you have? Name me three things you have. I have a and we have or. So or is a choice of things. You can either have chocolate or vanilla. Do you want to go to China or America? Do you want to go to North or South Korea? I'd choose North. It could be an adventure. Or you could stay at home. Or this. Or go to Legoland. Wow. Or Disneyland, Hong Kong. Oh, wow. Interesting choices there, actually. So, yeah. So, or. You got a choice of things. Which one do you want to choose? So, you can either go to school or stay at home. So, you wouldn't say, you can either go to school, home. You can either school, home. You can either London, Paris. London, Paris. It's London or Paris. You can either speak English or speak Spanish. Frankly, you're going to learn to speak English. In fact, you are either going to watch this video and click the subscribe button below. You're going to watch the video and do that. So, or, you've got a choice and you're making a list of things. Cool. Let's keep going. Let's look then. Let's look at nor Nor and but. So nor. Two things are not true. I have not eaten slugs, nor do I want to. Ugh. I have not been to Hong Kong, nor will I go until whenever. I have not been to North Korea, nor will I go until. I have not got enough pens, nor will I get any more. So two things are not true. Have not this or will not that, nor something else. And then let's look at but. So we're joining a positive and a negative sentence. So there is a shop. There's a shop. But there isn't any chocolate. Nom 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 nom. No chocolate. There is a house. Over there. But no one's at home. There's a subscribe button, but you haven't pressed it. Why? Waiting for you. So again, we're joining a sentence, a positive and a negative. So something's happening, but then something stops you from completing it. But I haven't been there. But I'm at the party. But I can't go in like this. Yeah, I'm going out. But I won't do this, or I won't do that, or I won't go there. I have not seen him all day, nor will I, nor do I want to. I have not been there in ages, nor will I go, nor should you go. I'm not going to go there, nor should you. Yeah. Pretty cool. Let's keep going. Now let's have a quick look. Let's have a quick gander. Yet and so. Yet and so. So yet. Something happening in spite of something else, or in contrast to. So I have asked her to be quiet, yet she is still talking. I have asked you to subscribe, yet you haven't. What are you doing? I am recording videos, yet I'm still here. Oh, I have finished recording this video, yet you are now watching me. I am going out, yet yet something needs to be done before I come back. Then let's look at so. Something happens as a result. So cause and effect. This happens and that happens. So I wanted to teach English, so I started my YouTube channel. I wanted to teach English, so I started teaching and recording videos on YouTube. I wanted to spend more time talking to myself in a room by myself, so I put up a whiteboard and a camera, got some pens, put on braces, and started talking to you, because I'm on my own right now. Yet, here I am, still recording videos. See where I went? So something happens as a result. So you could be doing something one day, and then suddenly something else can happen. So I ran out of chocolate, so I went to the supermarket. I have not run out of chocolate, yet I eat chocolate all the time. It's like something's happening, yet still something happens still. In contrast, or something you can't explain, I eat chocolate, yet I never gain any weight. I'm still quite thin. Something happens as a result. I eat chocolate, so I go to the gym to balance off the weight. I exercise so I can stay thin, so I can stay healthy. I run so I can get the cardiovascular system moving, the blood flowing, get the heart rate up and at it, get moving, so I can lose weight. Yet I don't want to be fat, so I will go to the gym. Yeah. How cool is that? How cool is that? Let's keep going. Let's keep going. So, let's look at because and when. Now, because is a why. It's why. Why something happens. The reason behind it. Like, he was cold because he was not wearing his hat. The reason behind something. He was fast because he practiced at the gym. He was wearing suspenders because they are so unique and no one wears them these days. Stand out from the crowd. Yeah. He was teaching English because it's good business. Yeah, good business. You are learning English because you want to improve your English and articulate your thoughts in another language. Because. And look at this then, when. So something must happen before. So I will be happy when. You aren't going to be happy until something else happens. I will be happy when I have 1 million subscribers. Ooh. I'll be happy when I have chocolate. I'll be, I fancy some chocolate now actually. That'd be nice. Good idea, Adrian, good idea. I'll be happy when I have more free time. I'll be happy when I go on holiday to Gibraltar. I'll be happy when something. What will you be happy? Well, when will you be happy? I'll be happy when you tell me. You tell me. Go to Cuba, go to North Korea, go to Russia, go to Brazil. When will you be happy? Yeah. When she is here, ... When she is here, something will happen. As she arrives, when she arrives, she will dance. When she is here, she will dance. Because she's coming to the party, she will be a little late to the meeting. When she arrives at the meeting, she has to leave quick because she's got a meeting and she's got a party to go to. Yeah. Because and when. Because is a why, the reason behind something, why you're doing something, why, and when. Something must happen before something. Like when she's here first, then she can relax. When I finish the video, or I will eat chocolate when I finish the video. I will travel when I finish the video. You will watch this video when you click the subscribe button and watch future videos as well. How cool is that? Let's keep going. Let's keep going. So let's look at 2 more quickly. As soon as. So something straight away happens after something else. As soon as the video is over, I will record another one for tomorrow. As soon as he is here, he will do his homework. As soon as the video ends, you will hit the like button and the subscribe button. Yeah, good idea. As soon as I go out, I will drive. I'll drive somewhere. I'll go out for a day trip, I suppose. And let's look at while. Whoops, as soon as I knocked that, it fell on the floor. So while. So 2 things happening at the same time. So while you are watching the video, the whole world is happening. Things are happening around you. She is dancing while you are drinking. Or even flip it. He or she is drinking while you are dancing. Very fun, very fun, very fun. While. Things happening at the same time. I'm going to go read the book while you stand there, look bored. I need to record a video, and as soon as it's done, I'm going to get it ready for uploading. How cool is that? Yeah, it's pretty cool stuff. Yeah. While happening at the same time, as soon as. Something straight away after another thing. How cool is that? How cool is that? So, that's conjunctions, that is. Yeah. So we use them to combine sentences together to make the sentence flow much nicer. So it's not jagged and edgy and all that, but they sound nicer. So yeah, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, keep watching, keep going with English, keep going, keep learning. There's plenty more videos to come, so subscribe, hit the bell notification next to it, and keep going. Keep going. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.